Are you looking for a new place to call home? Someplace where you can have horses, chickens, be close to the fairgrounds, and lots of new commercial development? Well, come check out our newest listing out in Golden Gate Estates. Beautiful single-family home with a swimming pool, solar panels, and enough elbow room so that you can spread out with your loved ones. So if you're feeling cooped up in the city of Naples, come out and live in the estates. Give us a call, 239-571-7082 or 239-399-1175.